And in this video, we're going to work on a couple more steps, that's 3 and 4, where we're going to compress the files that we're going to be moving of our source WordPress site, as well as downloading or exporting our database from our source WordPress site. And one more time, this is our source WordPress site. And as we can see here, it is working, and we're going to test this again once we get it moved, just to make sure that everything that is working now will be working on the new site as well. Okay, so for steps 3 and 4, we need to access our cPanel control panel, come on into File Manager, and we want to select all the files and folders that make up our WordPress site. So in this case, all I have to do is click on Select All. If you had additional folders in here, like maybe an image folder that had images tied into your WordPress site, you would want to include that as well. If you have any other files or folders that are associated with your WordPress site, or that you think might be associated or tied into your WordPress site, go ahead and select those as well. You can always delete them later once everything's moved over to your destination. So with everything selected, click on Compress, choose Zip, and I'm going to just name this site.zip. You can name it anything that you want, and then click on Compress Files. And it was really that easy. Now let's go ahead and select that and click on Download and navigate to our newly created folder on our desktop, which is Working Desktop, and click on Save. Now while that's downloading, and it shouldn't take too long, it's not a real big file, let's come on over to our phpMyAdmin and select the database that's associated with that WordPress site and download it. And if you've got multiple databases here and you're not sure which one goes to that particular WordPress site, well, let's go on back to the File Manager, go into the wp-config.php file. I'm going to go ahead and select that and View. And you see right here, it's the WP496. WP496. Close that up. Come on back here, WP496. So that's the one. Go ahead and select that over here on the left side, and then it's going to populate all the stuff or tables over here on the right side. At which point we come on up here and click on Export. And the default settings are just fine the way they are. If it says SQL, you're good to go. Click on Go. Navigate to the location on your computer where you're storing all this stuff, and click on Save. Our site zip file is now downloaded, and our SQL file is also downloaded. So we can get rid of that, close out our phpMyAdmin, and we're done with the file manager here for now. And let's look at our steps. We've compressed all the items and downloaded to our computer. We've gone into the phpMyAdmin and exported that to our computer as well. And in the next video, we're going to work on the destination area, where we're going to upload our site zip file and create the new database. But for now, that's going to bring us to the end of this video on transferring your WordPress site from one domain to another. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.